Hey guys, let's do SpongeBob's Crazy Carnival Ride. One ride, $13.98, two rides, $20.98. We're gonna do it. So what's the best thing that you've done in Vegas so far?
SpongeBob's ride.
Amazing.
That money back. I mean, all those Krabby Patties around the corner.
That's all the boxes, SpongeBob.
Patrick, people are already in line. We gotta hurry up and get this gaming stuff up there.
For your safety, please remain seated with your head.
Pew, pew, pew.
All I need is a few ingredients, and the Krabby Patty secret formula will finally be mine.
Step right up and get your shot at the bubble pop. Just point your pointers at the bubbles and start popping. Every hit brings you 4 points.
Oh my god.
Looks like you got the right idea. Pop, pop, pop. Is this thing loaded? I'll take that as a yes. Wow, some of you are really good at missing those balls. Great job, everyone. Now head on over to my pal Swiper at the basketball toss. See you later.
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoe hoops for fun and prizes. Whatever. Take out the bags. Fair warning, Hagrid's hosting the next game. I swear!
Oh man, I'm losing.
Smash some lights. Here we go.
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoe hoops for fun.
Yeah! Oh, break those plates! Smash! Smash! All these frozen patties are making me hungry. Nope, still hungry. SpongeBob!
Now's my chance.
Come to Papa!
Hi again. It's the onion ring toss. Just toss the... you get the picture, right?
Lights! Here we go!
I love onions.
Just one little ring. Oh, hey! Whose side are you on anyway? Well, not again! What's wrong, SpongeBob?
I just love onions.
No! Oh, this food is making me so hungry!
That gives me an idea for a new game. Halloween. All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready. They're ready. Now presenting in the schedule ring. It's time to feed Patrick.
Patrick, Patrick!
Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula.
11 minutes later.
Well done, everyone. You stopped acting and saved me restaurant. Now let's see how you did on the carnival games. Not too shabby.
I've seen better.
Now to celebrate, why not head over to the Krusty Krab and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for these games.
SpongeBob! Get back here, you two!
11 minutes later.